The blockchain will do, especially in the NFT form on top of Ethereum, is create a world that will eat up all of the contracts. All of them. Every contract over the next 15 to 25 years will be done on the blockchain. This isn't about technology putting people out of business. Everybody always thinks about it too extreme. There will be lawyers, even with the blockchain, doing everything you're doing for the rest of everyone's career here. The opportunity, though, to completely change the trajectory of your career and gain extraordinary market share because you actually understand what's going on with Ethereum or Solana or decentralization or the SEC's point of view on this. Is it a royalty? Is it a collateral? Is it an asset? Is stunning. Do you understand how big this is? Do you understand just like what the internet did to our society over the next 25 years, decentralized servers at scale are going to completely change the world? Let me ask you a common sense question. If this was some small shit, do you think China would ban it?